Are you curious how farming can fight climate change? Regenerative agriculture is changing the game. Regenerative agriculture restores soil health and rebuilds natural cycles, helping the earth thrive. Instead of harsh chemicals or deep tilling, this approach works with nature, protecting tiny organisms in the soil. These soil organisms keep plants healthy and soil fertile, nature and farmers working together. Regenerative practices use cover crops, crop rotation, and managed grazing to rebuild the land. Healthy soil then captures and holds carbon, which helps reduce greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Soil acts like a sponge, soaking up water, preventing flooding, and reducing drought stress for plants. Regenerative farming improves water retention too. Plants need less irrigation to stay healthy. Switching to these methods takes time and effort, but farmers report stronger crops and lower costs over time. The future looks promising, like technology aids soil monitoring and precision farming tools improve results. If you care about clean food and a stable planet, start learning about regenerative agriculture today. Please like and subscribe to AmericanFarmer.us. Thanks for watching.